Welcome to Dexter Smart Programmable Robotic Car. In this tutorial series, we are going to build and understand this robot step by step. In part 1, we will learn about all the main components used in this robot car and what each component does. So let's get started. First, we have 4 wheels that are connected to the motors and allow the robotic car to move smoothly on the floor. Next, we have DC gears motor that rotate the wheels. Now we have the Arduino Uno that receives the information from the mobile app and controls the motor, sensors and lights. This is motor driver shield. Arduino cannot directly run the motor because motors need more power. So this motor shield helps Arduino to control the speed and direction of the motors. Here we have breadboard, ultrasonic sensor to make obstacle avoidance car, 2 light dependent resistors. We can use it to make the light following robot. 3 IR sensors that help the robot to detect black and white surfaces. So we make line following robot with this. Pack of LEDs, RGB light and buzzer. They help our robot to show light signals, front lights, back lights or dancing lights, etc. And buzzer for horn, warning sound and obstacle alert. The robot chassis holds everything together. It is the body of the car where motors, wheels, Arduino, battery and the sensors are mounted. These are some accessories that help to assemble the robot. These are jumper wires. They are used to connect different components together like sensors, LEDs and modules. Pack of nuts and bolts that used to fix the motors and wheels. A screwdriver to tighten the nuts. This is the Bluetooth module. It connects a robot car with our mobile phone. Battery pack to provide power to the Arduino and motors. Data cable for Arduino. And charger for the battery pack. So these are the main components of our Dexter robotic car. In the next part, we will start connecting these components and understand the wiring step by step. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye bye.